promise, I don't have nothing, sir.
Relax. We'll slow down.
I have a little bit of marijuana, sir.
Try to retrace the steps.
That's it. I just got marijuana and a little bit of money, sir. That's it, that's all.
On June 24, 2024, at approximately 6 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call of an armed robbery.
911, what's the location of your emergency?
1001 Atchison Street. Someone's getting robbed at gunpoint right now in our parking lot. He has on a gray hoodie. His gun's like beige and gray, and he has on like gray and white shoes, and there's like a guy in a white beater with like dreadlocks. They're in the parking lot right now. I had to hurry up and rush in my aunt's car to get away. They both have guns. I don't know how many they have. Like he's like in a like grayish hoodie and his hood's on. He has on shorts with like Jordan 9. Oh, it's a Jeep MKT 0746. They just drove away. White Jeep Grand Cherokee. Their weapons are loaded. I saw them put the clip in.
Okay. The person who was robbed, where is he?
I have no idea. We left. He was there. They was taking his stuff off of. Yeah.
Okay. Like, do you remember what he looked like at all? The guy who was robbed?
I have no idea. He had a black hat on. They had him at gunpoint in the passenger seat. I don't know nothing else. I just rushed into. I have my baby.
Yeah. No, you're good. You're totally fine.
97, you might have a white Jeep northbound, Monroe from Atchison.
Northbound Monroe from Atchison.
Westbound Old Leonard from Monroe. South on the alley, second car behind me, start airing it.
1-3, if you guys south on the alley. For southbound, check at 26 moving 2016 at the front entrance of the driving firm on Livingston Avenue side.
Pennsylvania tag, Mary King Tom 0746.
Thank you. Thank you. Chuck, count 5.
Hey, stop it. I just saw a bridge in the tail.
Hey, somebody was on last section in the alley. Second car behind me, start airing it.
We are southbound in the alley, just west of Monroe. Correction, Garfield.
Pennsylvania tag, Mary King Tom 0746.
We're eastbound, Birmingham, northbound Monroe.
Hey, stop exactly so a bridge if you can. Let's get somebody to the victim.
Here they go. Stop, stop.
Give me a fucking hand. Right up in road coming up on Full Towers. Don't fucking drive right now! Oh God, give me your fucking hand! Linderman Road coming up on Full Towers.
I got one more out. There's two out. There's one that went back that way.
It went towards Towers.
Oh, it's white or gray.
He is inside the
He's got
area of those towers. So they get north.
What the fucking gun was that?
Get the chopper.
Yep. Here, hold on over.
I got it. Let me get gloves. Let me get gloves. I get gloves. We got him.
No big deal. One degrades the passengers. I think you must be out foot with the other one.
It's just fucking underwear.
Yeah. In 97, yeah, I did that car.
Get up.
We got it. Hey, he's coming. He's coming. Cruiser, keep coming.
Yo, 60.
Oh,
fucking shit. You should have thought about it before you start running around with a gun.
Alright, he's still inside that lot. He's running eastbound on the north side.
I think he's gonna come out to like Elda if he jumps it.
Yeah, he's just wandering around inside the fence. Get 72 on the R72. He should be with the driver.
72, have the driver, custody, 33 Republic.
Turn the air on for me.
Yeah, we'll get to that. So let's just keep this thin area around.
You're smart move to run when it's 90 degrees outside? I'll bring my cruiser back. I'll take it.
What's your name?
What?
What?
What'd you say?
What's your name?
Tabor.
How you spell it?
T-A-B-A-R-I.
What's your last name?
Patterson. P-A-T-T-E-R-S-O-N.
Our guy has a warrant for improper handling.
What's his name?
Tabari Patterson.
I got it.
He's on bugs.
I knew he was.
503, if they've got a good perimeter, they're going to launch here in a couple minutes.
You're gonna get shot, you fucking idiot! Stay on the fucking ground! Stay down!
Another person in the vehicle had dreads and a tank top on.
Here, pour this. I got you. Hold that tight. Hold that tight. Hold that tight. Hold it up. Hold it. Hold it up.
I'm going back to the car.
Got it.
They're taking him into custody.
I don't have nothing on me, sir.
Get back. Hold on. I'm gonna roll him. Get back there, roll.
I promise, I don't have nothing, sir.
Relax. I'm gonna slow down.
That's
I have a little marijuana, sir.
Try to retrace the steps.
That's it. I just got marijuana and a little bit of money, sir. That's it, that's all.
503 is at code 4 on the chopper off.
You know me. I know him.
Yeah, I think we're good. 9070, are we looking for any more than 62?
Those only two I saw, driver and passenger. The car was still in gear. It may have continued westbound.
Yes, sir, I have an inside pocket. You guys in my jacket, sir.
Somebody is still responding. You look for it.
I don't have nothing to do.
Letters.
You know, besides like coffee. Over the fence.
There's no like data.
You got some bolt cutters or something? There's CFD out here to cut those bolts.
I got the car.
So you just tell them Sawyer Towers, south side.
East of.
Probably open the gate for us. I'll talk to
Did anybody go to our victim? Somebody make contact with the victim.
Nothing in there, sir. The inside, the real hand, just us.
I'm just
You have a call back for them, see where they might be right now.
Car 1, I'm gonna call back.
97.
Which way, Sarge, is the best way? Go here or you wanna? We got a spot open.
I think we can stand on that fence.
Okay.
Usually just get a park spot.
You know what he did? It don't matter. He could kill somebody, you'll defend him.
The officers never did find the victim, so they were unable to charge the suspects with robbery. The driver, Tabari Patterson, was caught with a gun on him and had a warrant for a weapons charge at the time. So he was arrested and charged with felony counts of possession of a dangerous ordnance. Most likely the Glock had a switch. He was also charged with felony counts of weapons under disability, improper handling of a firearm, and fail to comply. His case is still ongoing. The passenger, Mr. Sidney D. Wilson, did not have a gun on him when he was arrested. He was charged with a misdemeanor count of obstructing official business and sentenced to 20 days in jail. I'm sure it's no surprise to anyone that he reoffended a short time later. In August of 2024, Mr. Wilson was arrested and charged with carrying a concealed weapon and weapons under disability. He was sentenced to 12 months in prison on those charges.